everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to stop verification required for free iOS app downloads. Are you getting the verification required error and can't download free apps on your iPhone? Many users reported that the App Store has been asking payment information repeatedly. Thankfully, you can stop verification required when installing free apps on your iPhone. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is enter a payment method for your Apple ID. If you are using a new Apple ID or have never downloaded an app using it, Apple requires you to fill in your payment details before you can download any apps on your iPhone, regardless of whether the app is free or paid. In this case, enter your Apple ID password in the next field and you are done. And the next step is change or update Apple ID payment method. To do this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on payment and shipping. Your current payment information might open. Tap back to go to payment and shipping and select add payment method. Fill in with the details and tap done. Once you have entered a new payment method, you can delete the old one with outdated information and you are done. What to do with decline or failed payments? The verification required error can also occur when a payment fails or get declines. If your digital wallet or mobile phone billing doesn't have enough balance to check, go to settings and then tap on Apple ID and then tap on payment and shipping and see the payment methods linked to your Apple ID. If you see the payment method in red along with the failed, you need to use a different payment method and you are done. And the next step is pay any unpaid subscription dues. Your purchase may fail if you don't have enough credits on your preferred payment method. In this case, a decline or payment failure will prompt up your iPhone to show a verification required pop-up, so you can quickly update your payment method. To check if you have unpaid subscription, go to settings and then go to your Apple ID. From here, tap on subscriptions. Check if you have any subscription that require payment. Tap name and select subscription. Go back to your Apple ID page and tap media and purchases. Next, tap on view account. Next, go to purchase history. If you have hidden them, be sure to unhide your App Store purchases first. If you have made purchases you have not paid for yet, you will see an amount you owe in red under the app download in-app purchases you made and you are done. And the next step is disable App Store restrictions. If you are using screen time, it will restrict you from making purchases and downloading apps. Thus, you can face the verification required error while installing the free apps on your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on screen time. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. From here, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Ensure that installing apps and in-app purchases are allowed. Further, select don't require password under the required password section and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign in back to your Apple ID. If none of these methods worked and your payment information has no issues, the verification required error you may just be a glitch. Signing out of your Apple ID and signing back it can refresh it and flush out any bugs causing the glitch. For this, go to your settings and then tap on your Apple ID, tap on sign out, start your iPhone and sign back in and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of verification required for free iOS app downloads, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.